महावीराष्टक स्तोत्र, Eulogy of Lord Mahavira, English rhyming in same rhythm by me, Praneet Sagar. Here we go. In omniscience mirror, objects resemble at once, associated with generation exhaust permanence, who indicates us the path of salvation like the sun. Such a Lord Mahavira resides always in my eyes, devoid of reddishness, whose eyes do not use to blink, illuminated the state of angerlessness, he whose posture is pure and holder of peace. Such a Lord Mahavira resides always in my eyes. By bowing down head, in whose twice lotus feet the crown of deities splendid with light of a gem, even his remembrance becomes the water to rest flame. Such a Lord Mahavira resides always in my eyes. By whose volition of worship a pleased mind the frog became the deity in heaven by his qualities, no strange if devotees attend to salvation worshipping you. Such a Lord Mahavira resides always in my eyes. He who is bodiless, though having brightness like a gold, is only one, even having so many qualities, devoid of birth and whose attachment has gone. Such a Lord Mahavira resides always in my eyes. He whose river of charming preachings with standpoints used to give a bath of special knowledge to the people, and knows as the swans like a learned even today. Such a Lord Mahavira resides always in my eyes. He who victory over warrior of invincible lust in a bachelor stage by his power of a self just to rule over energetic liberation. Such a Lord Mahavira resides always in my eyes. He who is sudden doctor to subside disease of delusion, who is unconcerned and greatness is manifested, who used to do welfare and refuge for frightened. Such a Lord Mahavira resides always in my eyes. Eulogy of Mahavira, composed by a Bhagachan, who read and listen, attains to liberation, attains to liberation, attains to liberation. End of Mahavirashtak Stotra in same rhythm.
Google Drive, YouTube, Instagram. Lot blessings from Praneet Sagar.